Good morning everyone. This is Trisha Kuturkar from grade 8. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Tuesday and the day is 25th of March 2025. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Viya Shinde from grade 8. Today I am going to tell thought for the day. The thought is, a country's greatness lies in its undying ideal of the love and sacrifice that inspire the mother of the West. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Azhan from grade 8. Myself Sarthak from grade 8.
This is Mustaqim from grade 8. I am Pratham from grade 8.
We are going to tell today the importance of the day. Today we are recognizing the foundation day of Sabarmati Ashram, a historic ashram located on the banks of the Sabarmati river in Ahmedabad in Gujarat, a key center for India's independence movement and home of Mahatma Gandhi from 1917 to 1930.
The ashram was a place for peace, reflection, and action against the British colonial rule. Let us discuss the history of the Sabarmati Ashram. It was established in 1915 by Mahatma Gandhi and his followers.
It became the base for many major events of Indian freedom struggle. Gandhiji launched the famous Salt Act, also known as the Dandi March, in 1930.
The key features of Sabarmati Ashram are as follows: simple living, use of khadi, and ahimsa. The significance of the Sabarmati Ashram includes symbol of unity and inspiration for freedom movement.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize on simplicity and self-reliance, non-violence,
Community and unity. On this day, may we all embrace the values of simplicity, non-violence, and unity that has Mahatma Gandhi taught at the Sabarmati Ashram.
and work
And work together to create peaceful and self-reliant world.